So today we're going to unbox the Starry Project light. So this box includes the projector light, the power cable, the manual, and the remote for it. What I love about this project light that it has a Bluetooth, it supports Bluetooth, play music, and it has two good speakers, which is very loud. Also, you can connect your flash drive for music, and it has some buttons for the light. This is where you connect your power cable, and this is the power on and off. So let's try that.